All right, welcome to Seller Society. This is your host, Godson, and today we are going to be doing our normal series on sharing the sales that we do on Jumia. And today is 18th of September 2025, and I'm going to share with you the sales that we had generated for today. Although um, we have about 3 hours to the end of today, but usually this is the time I make my video, and I'm going to um, proceed to show you what we have made today. So this is our account, and as you can see, here is our pending orders, but there are some orders that we have shipped today, and I'm going to click on shipped to see what we have generated. Okay, all right, here we are. This is 18th, and we have the sales that we've made, about 10,000 naira. We have about 10,000. We have about 6,500. We have about 12,000. We have about 10,000. And okay, that is what we have. And let's go to the pending orders. These are the orders that we are yet to ship. And we have about 15,000, and we have about 70,000. By the time you sum this up, is about 140 to 150,000, if I'm right precisely. So this is the sales that we have made for today, and that is pretty good. That is pretty good. We are advancing on a store that is less than 4 months. So this store is about 3 months plus, and this is the average that we have been making on a daily basis. And when you sum that up, you will see that every month we are probably going to be generating over 4 million, between 4 and 5 million on these average sales, so which is quite impressive for a new store. And the reason why I'm showing us this is not to brag or to make us feel that we are doing something, uh, or bragging in any way, but what I'm doing is to tell you what is possible and to encourage you to get started. Okay, to get started, it doesn't matter if you have a couple of products, if you have 10 products, or if you have 100 products. Just get started, have your product listed, start running ads, start joining the Jumia campaigns, and start making money selling online. All right, and if you are new, you're a beginner, or you don't actually know how to get started, or you might have probably been selling on Jumia but you're having less sales and you don't know how to up your games and make more sales, I will suggest or recommend that you take our masterclass. Our masterclass is just 29,000 naira. You can just take the masterclass and and get yourself educated. And if you want to work with me one on one, there is an option for you to go uh, with the option of one on one coaching, where I'm going to teach you myself. In fact, I'm going to even show you the products that you are going to sell. I'm going to recommend a lot of stuff to you. That is one on one. And but for the course, the masterclass is okay. You can get started. All right. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.